Hey everyone, welcome to my Crossrope fitness app review. Check the description for links to Crossrope products. This app is perfect for jump rope lovers looking for engaging and effective workouts. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, there's something for you, with workouts ranging from quick 5-minute bursts to 45-minute endurance sessions. One of the best features is the seamless integration with Crossrope's weighted ropes, though any jump rope works. The video guides are easy to follow, with instructors demonstrating proper form. The app tracks your workout time, calories burned, and progress, keeping you motivated. I especially love the variety. You'll find challenges, HIIT, freestyle sessions, and even strength training routines using bodyweight exercises. Perfect for combining cardio and strength without hitting the gym. The Crossrope app is a portable, fun, and effective fitness solution, ideal if you're traveling, short on time, or just want something new. Jump rope training is low impact but highly effective for burning calories and boosting coordination. It's a subscription-based app, but the price is reasonable for the quality and variety. If you're serious about improving your cardio or building a consistent routine, this app is a fantastic choice. Check the description for Crossrope links. Like and subscribe for more fitness tips.